Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Marvelous. Today we're continuing with our series on fractions and decimals. This is the part 2. And today we want to explore how to add and subtract fractions with the same denominator. So let's go. How can we add or subtract fractions? We can add or subtract fractions easily if they have the same denominator. What you do, simply add or subtract the numerators together, then return one denominator since they are the same. Let's check some work. Let's add the following. So let's add 4 over 6 plus 5 over 6, 29 over 22 plus 26 over 22, 6 over 9 minus 4 over 9. So we're taking out 4 over 9 from 6 over 9. And 15 over 7 minus 11 over 7. So we'll take out 11 over 7 from 15 over 7. So here we have 4 over 6 plus 5 over 6. So we have 4 plus 5 over 6. How? By returning the denominator, which is 6. They have common denominator 6. So we'll pick one and then we'll add the top, we'll add the numerators. Numerators 4 and 5. We'll add them together and we'll return one denominator. And our final answer would be 9 over 6. But is that our final answer? No. Fraction says we should divide it further. So we see that 3 can go into 6 and also go into 9. So we have to divide further by 3. So we now get 3 over 2 as our final answer. With 3 dividing 6, you get 2, and 3 dividing 9, you get 3. 29 over 22 plus 26 over 22. As usual, you add the top numerators together, 29 plus 26, and you return one denominator, which is 22. We're not going to add 22 plus 22. No, you return only one. And then what do we get? 55 over 22. Is that our final answer too? No. We can actually divide further. By what? You're right. 11 can divide into 22 and also divide into 55. And what do we get? We'll get 5 over 2. 11 in 22 is 2. 11 in 55 is 5. Now we have 6 over 9 minus 4 over 9. So we're subtracting this time. The same rule applies. We'll return one denominator and then we'll subtract the top, the numerators. So 6 minus 4 will give us what? 2 over 9. Is there any further division here? No, we can't. There is no number that can go in 2 and 9 without a remainder. Except it's 1. And if it's 1, it's still going to remain 2 over 9. So we're going to leave it that way. And for the final one, let's take out 11 over 7 from 15 over 7. What do we get? 15 minus 11 will give us, yeah, you're correct, 4 over 7. And can we divide any further? No. That's our final answer. So we'll leave it that way. So that's our final answer. We have 4 over 7. And that's all for this series. So do well to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on your notification bells so that when I post the subsequent videos, you'll be the first to get them. In our next class, we're going to talk about the next series on our fractions. And in our subsequent series, of course, we'll look at subtraction and addition of fractions when they have different denominators. That's a bit harder than this one. When they're the same denominators, it's simpler, but when it's different, it's a bit not the same thing. So in our subsequent series, you'll find that video in my channel here, and ensure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Till the next time, bye.